Good day everyone. Today we want to learn about how to use simple pattern code to determine the number of words in a sentence. First of all, let's construct our sentence. Okay, let's start. Text. Okay, T-E-X. Text is equals to, with our double quotes, we have just our string. Okay, let's go. I want to go to school to learn how to code. If you want to determine the number of words that make up the sentence, we can use this simple Python code words equals text dot split, then use our spring, then the total words space command, then length, that's words, okay, space command, then curly bracket, put it the length of words. So let's see, let's run our code, press the button, run and see what is good. 11. So we have 11 words that make up the sentence. I want to go to school to learn how to code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this uniqueness of Python programming language. Thank you.